Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update install error 0x80070020 on your system, then how would you resolve it? So the first obvious solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now the Windows Update troubleshooter will start detecting problems, and it is one of the few troubleshooters that are actually working. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So before I proceed with this, I'll show you something. Okay. So this has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum as well, and hundreds of people were able to fix the problem with it. So I believe that this solution will work. I have a script for you which will stop Windows Update services, delete the software distribution in cat2 folders, and then re-register a lot of DLLs, reset WinSock, and then restart the services. So copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the components here just once and wait for 2 minutes. It will take its time, and after 2 minutes your problem will be resolved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.